Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm just going to briefly touch on our Preneed statute. It is found in Chapter 7 of Title 32. Now, uh, you might already know, but just as a clarification, this is not your funeral director license. This is an addition. So those who are licensed funeral directors can then get a Preneed funeral contract. So a Preneed funeral contract, let's talk about that definition in the law. It means a contract which has for its purpose the furnishing or performance of funeral services or the furnishing or delivery of personal property, merchandise, or services of any nature in connection with the final disposition of a dead human body to be furnished or delivered at the time determinable by the death of the person whose body is to be disposed of. But it does not mean, and Ken will go over this again later, does not mean the furnishing of a cemetery lot, a crypt, a niche, a mausoleum, a grave marker, or a monument. Without first securing a license from the Department of Consumer Affairs, no one, except a financial institution, may accept or hold any payments made on a Preneed funeral contract. Do not, we repeat, do not accept that money if you do not have a Preneed license. Okay, the initial filing fee is $250. So that, and we'll go over that again in a moment, the different fees. A copy of all contracts sold, along with the monthly reporting form, must be sent to the department. The service fee of $20 per contract, if it is received by the department within 60 days of the sale, it would only be $20. After 60 days from the last day of the month that the contract was entered into, then there's going to be $30 per contract. So that's a $10 late fee. And we have that reporting form. If you need that, if you need that form and you've lost it or you're new, you can go to that page that Gary just showed you on our website, and we'll have that form there. Okay, so again, $250 is for the initial. For the renewals, it's $200 per location. And if you're adding a location during this renewal, or if you're adding a location to an existing company, that's going to be $250 for the first time you add that location. And as you all know, right now we're in renewals. A lot of you have already submitted those. Thank you. So you are, at this point, it's going to be that $200 per location. And you can do all of this online. You can pay online, and there's no fee for using your credit card online. I want to show you our contact information. Go ahead and take a screenshot right now. So you've got Stacy's contact information, my contact information, Deborah's. And then if there's an issue, which we hope you don't need to talk to Jim Copeland, but there's his information there too.